In the previous Affinity tutorials, we learned how to make selections and how to remove a background. The result may look pretty good at first, but when you place the image on a dark background, you'll often notice white edges or a halo around the subject. To remove these white edges after removing the background, select the image layer, then click the filters icon and choose minimum blur. This will be added to the image layer as a clipping mask. Increase the radius value until the white edges disappear. However, the minimum blur filter affects the entire image. To fix this, simply change the filter's blend mode to Lighten. Changing the blend mode may cause the white edges to reappear slightly, so reopen the dialog box and increase the radius value until the white edges completely disappear. That's all for this tutorial. Like and subscribe to support this channel, and thanks for watching.